Alright guys, back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to do outlines in CSS. So it's really simple, and it's literally, yeah, really simple. So we have the border, we know how to do that already. So for some reason there's another thing you can do, which is called an outline, and that's literally just a border to the border, or just having another border. I don't even know why, but yeah, you can do some stylish things. So anyway, to declare one, you could do 10 pixels, solid if you want, and then uh, green. I was gonna put rose, but I don't know if that's a color or not on here. But yeah, if you want it to look a little bit stylish, you do it like twice the border, or just bigger, you know. So yeah, that's just some advice, in my opinion, to do. So yeah, that's one way of declaring it. So we could also do outline color, so we can specify the color of our own outline. We could have red. No, we already have red. Rose, is that a color? Whatever. Pink. So that's the color of that. Let's get rid of this. I need to get rid of that. So we'll have an outline style, and then we can have inset, dash, double, groove, dotted, or ridge, solid, or outset. So if you want to know what all those mean and are, go to here. I'll put this link in the description, and yeah, right here. These are all the different types you can use, okay, for outline style. You could say double. There we go. So now if we go back, it's double pink. It's really small. And we could make it bigger by doing outline width, and we could say let's give it a good 10 pixels. See, now it's a little bit bigger, so it's really cool. We could also do the outline outset, or wait, no, offset, and this separates the border between the outline and the border, makes it space in between, so we could do like 5 pixels. Oops. So if we load, now we have some space. So that's something you can play around with also. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, guys. This is really simple, but also pretty cool. You can make some cool stuff with that also. So it's just like the border, really, and then we also have outline offset, which separates the border and the outline, so don't forget that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, leave a comment if you need help, and subscribe. Peace.